Good morning and welcome to another Beetle video, this 2007 Volkswagen Beetle. In this video I'm going to be finishing the last MOT repair. But before we do that, it's time for sticker section. In this sticker section, it's Scotty Daniel has got a new designer sticker and he's kind of sent me one, so it's going to go up on the wall. There's his previous design. And I've also got his keyring with his old design on. There's keys for my shed. So without any further ado, let's see, where shall we put this sticker? We'll put it up here, right beneath the cruiser mark. Let's have a look. So, yep, that'll just fit in just nicely there. So, I'll put a link out to Scott's channel if you don't already have him. He does mowers and that sort of thing, and he keeps reptiles as well. Anyway, with that, it is back to the video. So I got my replacement buckle on eBay. It was only a tenner, and refitting is basically the reverse of removal. So put that in there like so. Can't get this wrong. There's a little notch that matches up with I don't know whether you can see it, but there's like a little bump, little bump in the floor panel, and it makes up with the notch in the buckle. So it's really easy. You can't get this wrong. 18mm nut. Oops, it's slipping. But once this is, just do it up by hand. There we go, it's locating now. Got my 18mm socket. Just nip it up, you don't have to go crazy tight. And that's the buckle replaced. Just get the seat back into position. Oops. I'm getting the seat, the old buckle trapped. And that's a new one, replacement buckle. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to test the buckle. Get this seat back from the other side. Click in, out. Yep, the buckle's 100% working. So I just need to remove this, and I can be as destructive as I like. So it'll be a good opportunity to dissect it. So I've got various prying tools. I'll just pry this off. Look at that. That's come up quite easy. And I thought, oh, it's splitting along the seam as well. Look at that. It's just coming apart. Too easy. There we go. So that's off. And we can now see, let's see why this won't release. So it's clicking. I think we can see that there's a bit there. It's not releasing, so we should be able to pry that off. Let's have a look. In fact, I might just dissect this seat belt. Let's have a look. Take it apart. But yeah, there's a metal piece, and that's the end of it. It's not coming out. The rest of it's releasing. see if I've got something suitable. I might try some pliers. So if you can't see too well, I thought I mount it camera on window, on rear window. Let's have, can I try one of my picks? But there's a behind the white bit. There's a metal, and that should release it. In fact, this is the other part of it. I could probably take this apart, take that spring off. In fact, I think I can see something in there, a little bit of crap in between there. It's a little stone. It's a little stone. Found a little stone. I bet that was... Yeah, the little stone. I'll just show you again. In between there's a little stone, and that was stopping it from releasing. It's working perfectly. Unbelievable. As Mike Butler would so often say. So I could have fixed this seat belt. Just one little stone that was stopping it from releasing. That is unbelievable. Oh. Yeah. Anyway, it only cost a tenner. So we've fitted it. one little stone they've got in the correct place. Talk about perfect storm. So I'll just test this. Yep, so that is 100% confirmed fix. So with everything taken care of, all the MOT failures all sorted out, I'm going to go around to the testing station, see if they can fit me in for a retest at some point today. I've got all day with it, so I'm sure they'll fit in whenever, and they'll just test only the failure items, and they've all been sorted out. So I'll let you know how that goes. So good news is that my MOT guys can fit me in today. As you can see, it's gone. I'm just taking it round. So I'll get back to you when it's all done. So it's past the MOT and no advisories, so I'm pleased about that, even though it needs a lot more work doing. But the car's remains road legal, so I'm pleased with that. I still can't get over that seat belt. I'll just seat belt book. I can't believe that it functions perfectly. I just cannot get over that. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.